Hey folks, Florida Trailblazer out here exploring in the Withlacoochee State Forest in the Richloam Trek. I found an old railroad bed. Takes you out by the little Withlacoochee River, and there's remains of a trestle here. Let's go check it out. Right here you can see remains from the trestle. Over here are some pilings. You see right here. And if you take a look over here, this is the little Withlacoochee River. It's a great view right here. There you have it, folks. Remains of an old railroad trestle out here in the Withlacoochee State Forest. Thanks for watching.